Welcome back to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making chocolate chip zucchini bread. This is one of the best ways to use up all of that abundance of zucchini in your garden. And it's a perfect treat for dessert or even breakfast. Let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. For the chocolate chip zucchini bread, you'll need flour and sugar, zucchini, baking soda, chocolate chips, 2 eggs, butter, kosher salt, cinnamon, and vanilla. For baking, you'll need 2 8x4-inch loaf pans, cooking spray, and for straining the zucchini, you'll need a mesh strainer. Okay, to start off with our zucchini bread, I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to shred our zucchini. Now you can do this with a food processor. I'm going to do that today. Or if you have a hand grater, you can certainly do that as well. So we need 3 cups of grated zucchini. Okay, let's see if this is going to be 3 cups. Okay, we have a little bit left over. That was 2 probably medium-sized zucchinis that yielded probably 4 cups of grated zucchini. So we're going to put that in the sink and just let it drain naturally. We're not going to squeeze it out or anything. And that way the bread will be naturally moist. I'm going to save that last cup to put into soups or some other recipe. Will not be going to waste. Okay, next step, we're going to mix our wet ingredients together. So that's 1.5 cups. Now this is a 1.5 cup measuring cup. So 1.5 cups of sugar. Now we need a stick and a half of melted butter. So I'm going to put that in the microwave to melt. So I need 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1.5 sticks of butter or 3/4 cup of melted butter. You want 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I'm just going to stir that up a little bit, and then we'll add our eggs. So 2 eggs. So now we'll add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and we need 3 cups of properly measured all-purpose flour. So I just kind of go through and I fluff up my flour. Now this is a 1.5 cup measuring cup, and I'm going to spoon it into there. So I need 3 cups. Okay, that's 3 cups of flour. We need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. One teaspoon of cinnamon. So the batter is going to be very thick at this point. So I'm going to take my spoon and just stir it until it comes together. Okay, you can see that's very thick, almost like cookie dough. And now I'm going to take my grated zucchini. That's 3 cups of grated zucchini. And we're just going to stir it in until it's incorporated into the batter. Now you'll see that the batter is still thick, but it'll moisten up now because there's a lot of moisture in that zucchini. We're now going to add in 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use whatever you like. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate. Okay, and I can tell that this batter is moistening up the longer it sits with the zucchini in it. Zucchini is releasing its moisture. So I have a 9 by 5 inch baking pan. 8 by 4 will work as well. I've lined it with parchment paper and sprayed it with cooking spray. Now this recipe is for 2 8 by 4 inch baking pans. So I have a 9 by 5 and then I have a couple of small ones off to the side here that I'm going to use any excess that we have. Okay, I'm filling it about 3/4 of the way full. And then I'm going to use 2 of these smaller ones. You could also use muffin tins for any excess if you don't have 2 baking pans. That way we've got little loaves here. Those are kind of convenient to have as well. Okay, so I have a 9 by 5 inch pan and 2 small little mini loaf pans. I'm going to put those into a 350-degree oven, and the large one will take anywhere from 40 to 60 minutes, and the smaller ones will cook quicker. So I'll just keep an eye on those. We'll know they're done when it's brown and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Now the chocolate chip zucchini bread is done and it looks absolutely delicious. And we also have the 2 smaller loaves. Those I can wrap up. As soon as they're cooled off, I can wrap them up, stick them in the freezer, or gift them to someone. Now I'm going to try it. That is so good. Now, of course, you don't taste zucchini in there, but the zucchini adds a wonderful moisture to the bread. Chocolate chips are abundant in here and really good. And I taste a hint of cinnamon. The outer crust is really crunchy and good. This is perfect as a breakfast or brunch bread. Wrap up a piece and put it in a lunchbox. Wonderful. Have it for a guest snack cake. And even gifting to others with these smaller loaves. Really, really good, and I hope you try it. Thank you so much for joining me here again on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made chocolate chip zucchini bread. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell for notification of more videos, and comment down below. We'll see you next time.